Welcome back to the channel, adventurers! Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the heart-pounding, electrifying world of Miami. Get ready to feel the pulse of this city coursing through your veins. We're taking a dynamic tour that puts you in the center of the action. Let's get started and immerse ourselves in the vibrant and lively culture of Miami. Alright, first stop, South Beach, the beating heart of Miami. This is where the city's pulse is at its loudest. Imagine a stunning stretch of sandy paradise that transforms into a nightlife hotspot when the sun sets. South Beach, where Miami's spirit is on full display. It's a lively neighborhood making the magic happen, resonating the city's vibes. A place where life is lived to the fullest, under the brighter sun, amidst louder music. This sandy stretch of paradise is where the Atlantic Ocean meets the shore and where the palm trees sway in sync with the sea breeze. Picture a slice of heaven, where the turquoise water sparkles under the sun and the sand feels like powdered sugar under your feet. But beyond just lounging on the beach or basking under the Florida sun, there's a lot more to do here. Visit the iconic Ocean Drive, a bustling thoroughfare known for its colorful Art Deco buildings, upscale restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy thrilling water sports like jet skiing, windsurfing, and parasailing. Explore the Art Deco Historic District, a treasure of beautifully preserved 1920s to 30s architecture that offers a unique peek into Miami's glamorous past. Get on a paddleboard or simply spend your day riding the waves. Participate in beachside activities, build sandcastles, or engage in an exciting match of beach volleyball. As the sun dips, South Beach morphs. The beachfront parties start, the music volume increases, and the floors spring to life. It's a symphony of laughter, music, and the clinking of cocktail glasses. An intoxicating mix of locals and visitors drawn in by Miami's irresistible nightlife. The outdoor eateries are a treat to the taste buds, serving everything from fresh seafood to Cuban cuisine, complemented by awe-inspiring ocean views. Here, you can taste the true flavors of Miami, a city that celebrates diversity with every bite. And when night falls, South Beach truly comes alive. The neon lights flicker on, showcasing the Art Deco architecture, the streets buzz with excitement, and the nightclubs welcome looking for a good time. It's a whirlwind of music, dance, and celebration that lasts until break of dawn. South Beach, truly encapsulating the spirit of Miami. Next, we're stepping into the Art Deco Historic District. A stylish blast from the past. This place is more than just a visual feast. Imagine yourself embarking on a guided tour to unveil the stories hidden within the decorative walls of this district. This place is a living, breathing testament to a bygone era, still buzzing with energy and life. Every corner here tells a story. With its vibrant atmosphere, it's truly a gem, home to the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture. Each building is a unique masterpiece, painted with pastel colors, furnished with geometric designs and adorned with playful motifs, encapsulating the spirit of the roaring 20s and the jazz age. Picture yourself leisurely strolling down Ocean Drive, the district's pulsating artery. To one side, the boundless blue of the Atlantic stretches out. To the other, a procession of vintage hotels, each a gem of Art Deco design. The Colony Hotel, with its iconic neon sign, is a standout. Why not take a break and dine on some classic Miami cuisine at a local diner? Culture seekers should make a detour to the Wolfsonian FIU Museum, where the Art Deco style extends beyond architecture into various forms of artistic expression. Yet it's not just Ocean Drive that steals the show. Venture down Collins Avenue or Washington Avenue and you'll encounter architectural treasures like the Tiffany Hotel or the Essex House. This neighborhood extends beyond a mere collection of beautiful buildings. It's a living, breathing testament to a bygone era, lovingly preserved and still buzzing with energy and life. So whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, the Art Deco Historic District is a must-visit. The Art Deco Historic District, where every corner tells a story and every step opens up a new adventure. Now let's salsa our way into Little Havana, the Cuban heartbeat of Miami. This vibrant neighborhood is pulsating with Cuban culture, music, and food. Imagine a lively carnival celebrating Cuban culture right in the heart of Miami. Each part of this radiant cultural mosaic vibrates to the rhythm of its Cuban roots. As you explore, you may have the chance to attend a live music performance. The infectious rhythms of salsa, son, and rumba will beckon you to the many local venues where musicians pour their hearts into their performances. The intense passion of the performers and the contagious energy of the crowd create an unforgettable experience that you can't help but dance to. The rhythmic clacking of domino tiles, a popular pastime in Little Havana, will draw you towards Maximo Gomez Park, or Domino Park as it's fondly known. Here, locals congregate each day for spirited games, their camaraderie palpable and heartwarming. As you saunter through Little Havana, you'll realize that the game of dominoes isn't merely a game. It's a tradition that weaves the community together. Then there's the food. Cuban cuisine is a delectable blend of Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. You should definitely try a traditional Cuban sandwich, a culinary icon stuffed with ham, roasted pork, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard, all pressed until crispy and delicious on a plancha. From the mouth-watering ropa vieja to the delightful flan, each dish narrates a story. The scent of roasting pork will guide you to family-owned eateries where recipes have been handed down through generations. And don't forget to visit the Bay of Pigs Museum. This unique historical attraction hosts a collection of artifacts and photographs that give a comprehensive account of the infamous 1961 invasion. It's a compelling and sobering experience that offers a look into the history of the Cuban people and their struggles. No trip to Little Havana is complete without trying the Cuban coffee, a fixture of local culture just as much as the music and food. Whether you like it sweet and creamy as a café con leche or robust and black as a cubano, this is a Miami essential. As twilight descends, the spirit of Little Havana continues to throb, neither the energy nor the rhythm waning. The laughter, the music, the dancing, it all carries on under the twinkling Miami stars. A slice of Cuba right in the heart of Miami, that is Little Havana. Finally, we're hitting the Wynwood Walls, where art comes to life. This place is not only the heartbeat of Miami's vibrant art scene, but also a hub of dynamic activities. Imagine a former warehouse district transformed into an open-air art gallery, expressing the city's soul and attracting artists worldwide. This urban canvas sprawls across the area, every corner, every brick pulsating with energy and creativity, but there's more to do in Wynwood Walls than just admiring the murals. As you wander, why not stop by the Wynwood Kitchen and Bar? Here, you can enjoy a fusion of international flavors while soaking in the eclectic ambiance. For more art appreciation, further explore the surrounding art galleries that house stunning pieces from local and international artists. And, if your timing is right, you can also attend a local art event. Engage with the artists, learn about their inspirations and techniques, and even participate in workshops. The walls are a tribute to the transformative power of art, a symbol of Miami's artistic spirit. Every mural narrates a tale, every stroke is like a heartbeat, and each color tells the story of the city's rich and diverse heritage. The artists, in their paint-splattered clothes and their unwavering dedication, are the lifeblood of Wynwood Walls, their artwork a spectrum of fervor and talent. As the day turns into night, the murals illuminate under the city lights, casting a spellbinding glow on the cobblestone streets. Wynwood Walls, with its vibrant art scene, delectable cuisine, and dynamic events, truly makes the perfect end to our Miami journey. And that, folks, is Miami in all its vibrant glory. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your video ideas. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.